The concept farm to table is really at home with us. We're farm to mattress. We source our ingredients locally from farmers. We garnet it in a machine to felt it into bags so that we can layer it into our mattresses. I love the ingredients: organic cotton, natural wool, Dunlap latex, coconut core that's been infused with latex, all wrapped in natural organic cotton cases. We hand make everything. We push it through our filling machine, we zip it up, we bag it, and we deliver it to our customer. I was grateful that more people wanted to live in a chemical-free lifestyle. They wanted chemicals out of their homes, they wanted natural fibers.